Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Did you notice the rise of text-to-speech, voiceover softwares like Amazon Polly, Google, Microsoft Azure, etc.? Here's the hard truth. These AI voices are killing your sales, not increasing them. Why would I make such a bold statement? Because literally everyone on the internet is using the same set of AI-generated voices that screams unoriginal and copied. Imagine your visitors hearing a voice that's already being used by thousands of other marketers on ads, videos, podcasts, and social media, sometimes places you don't want you or your brand to be associated with. Everyone knows it's fake, computer-generated, and downright lazy. They can see through your voice being AI-generated, and that is why they are not buying your products. They are not clicking on your links. They are not connecting with you or your brand. They are not taking action on your offer. Okay, I get it. But what to do instead? Use your own voice. It's that simple. Let's be clear. Your voice is your brand. Your audience trusts you and your voice, not some robotic-sounding AI-generated voices that they've heard a million times before. Your voice makes your marketing content more authentic, human, and relatable. It evokes emotion, builds trust, and ultimately drives sales. I know, you must be thinking, but how? I'm not a professional voiceover artist. I don't have access to the high-end recording equipment that can cost a fortune. Not to mention the time it would take to record and edit multiple voiceover takes. And honestly, who has the budget to hire a professional voice actor every time I need a voiceover? But what if there is a better way? What if you can clone your own voice and effortlessly captivate, engage, and sell like never before? Imagine a world where every piece of your content is enhanced by your own voice. Isn't that exciting? Think about it. You standing out, your voice amplified, your personality shining through every word, no more blending in with the crowd, no more sounding like everyone else. What if you can create realistic and authentic voiceovers for all your marketing content, social media, ads, videos, podcasts in just a few clicks? Voiceovers that sounds just like you, because they are you. Imagine cloning yourself unlimited times and be present everywhere. Building trust and connecting with new audience, selling non-stop, faster, easier, and 10x more effective. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat, and I am a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I am super grateful to be able to help over 50,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2 million in sales in the last 4 years. Over the years, I spent over $25,000 on various voiceover artists for myself and my clients' projects. It included everything from social media posts, video ads, video sales letters, webinars, training videos, podcasts to audiobook. But last year I hit a wall. I was sick and tired of the ridiculous costs, chasing down elusive voiceover artists, and the unbearable waiting times for project delivery, and forget about revisions. So I made the switch to AI voiceovers, trading one problem for another. My audience could immediately tell that it was a robotic voice, and it hurt my brand's credibility. My sales and conversions suffered as a result. In me doing the voiceovers? Not a chance. It's a time suck, and let's face it, I'm no Morgan Freeman. The struggle was real, and I needed a solution fast. One day, while browsing through Facebook, an ad caught my attention. It was from Frank Kern, and he was telling people how he cloned his own voice using AI and created various courses, webinars, promotions, and made millions in sales, all with his own AI voice. I thought to myself, what if I could clone my own voice too? And that's when I got hooked. With my skills in software development and my expertise in marketing, plus with the rise of artificial intelligence recently, I decided to create my own AI voice cloning software. I wanted it to be affordable, user-friendly, and most importantly, produce natural and authentic voices. After months of research and development, countless prototypes, and testing with real human voices, I succeeded. Fast forward to today, I can create and generate realistic, authentic human-sounding AI voiceovers in just a few clicks. Here's just a glimpse of what you can do with these AI voices. Create 3 to 10 times more content by turning your written content into engaging videos with your AI clone voices. Use it on your sales video and video sales letters to increase conversions in sales. Create engaging podcasts where your audience will listen to your own voice talking about a specific topic or useful info in any niche. Use it for your Instagram stories, posts, videos, and TikTok ads. Record audiobooks or narrations using your own unique AI-generated voice. Use it on webinars and live presentations to build trust with potential clients. Create custom voiceovers for your clients' marketing projects, generating a new stream of income. Create training videos, demo videos, review videos, and more with your own authentic voice. Use it in email campaigns to stand out from the sea of text-based emails, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless with Voice Genesis AI. I can give you 100 more ways to profit, but the bottom line is this. It will save you time, money, and humanize your marketing content, giving you an unfair advantage over competitors. Introducing Voice Genesis AI, the world's first AI voice cloning platform built for marketers. Clone your voice or create custom, unique AI voices in seconds, making your marketing content more engaging, authentic, and human. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create high-quality, natural-sounding voice at your fingertips, ready to use for any project in any niche. Step 1. Record or upload your 10 seconds voice or choose any custom AI voice from our huge library. Step 2. Add your desired text. Set voice type, pitch, and speed, add music, merge voices, customize, and hit generate. Step 3. Download your unique human-like AI voice and skyrocket your traffic, sales, and audience engagement. Upgrade your marketing game with Voice Genesis AI today. Say goodbye to expensive voiceover fees, time-consuming recording sessions, and limited options for creating engaging content. Here's some of the crazy benefits you'll receive with Voice Genesis AI. Gain the first mover advantage and dominate the market by creating unlimited unique voices with speed. While others are still struggling manually, you'll be miles ahead with Voice Genesis AI. Personalize and humanize your brand with your own or unique AI voices to build trust and a strong brand identity. Skyrocket conversions and sales using real, human-like voices in all promotional materials with Voice Genesis AI. Easily create and sell 10x more in any niche, reaching a wider audience for increased traffic, leads, and sales. Create custom unique AI voices indistinguishable from human voices, captivating and engaging your audience effortlessly. Save time, money, and effort by generating high-quality voices with just a few clicks using Voice to Genesis AI. Use the easy and user-friendly platform of Voice Genesis AI without needing technical skills. Choose a voice, add text, and generate. Tap into previously unreachable markets by creating AI voices for previously inaccessible niches and markets. Enjoy free updates forever, ensuring your Voice Genesis AI remains cutting edge. Get 24x7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed from our always available team for any assistance needed. So what's the price? Imagine spending hundreds of dollars on a 5-minute voiceover, thousands of dollars on hiring a professional voiceover artist, or spending countless hours recording and editing your own voiceovers, and repeat that process for every marketing project you have. What if I tell you that you can get Voice Genesis AI at a fraction of the cost? You can create unlimited AI voices or clone your own voice for all your projects and dominate your market, skyrocketing your conversions and sales for just a one-time fee. Get your copy of Voice Genesis AI now and say goodbye to expensive voiceovers, long recording sessions, and limited options for creating engaging content. Today you can get access to Voice Genesis AI for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. But remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let his opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. Voice Genesis AI is the best, fastest, and easiest way to create unlimited AI voices and skyrocket your marketing game. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the Voice Genesis AI at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now. See you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.